Hi there, it's Tania from Tatty Treasures. So today I wanted to show you this wonderful kit that the lovely Marie sent me. Marie's shop is called After Midnight Designs, and I would say that she's probably most well known for the beautiful iris kit that she's got. And I've just noticed on her shop she's got lots of elements now that go with the iris kit, so it must be now a gigantic kit. Maybe I shall work with that in the summer because it's stunning, and I've seen quite a few people use it, and there's something about irises, isn't there? I know that it is a lot of people's favourite flower. I like the purple one only a bit more than the yellow one. So this is her, what is it called? It's called January Winter Junk Journal Kit, and it is massive. It has 12 pages, and on those 12 pages of kit pages and 18 pages of embellishments and ephemera. So altogether that's 30 pages. Absolutely massive. So I did have Marie's Christmas kit. Obviously I did only just show it. I have made some little bits with it, but yeah, I wasn't doing Christmas, but I wanted to do a blue theme for January, and I will also be working with another kit, but this one I'm gonna do something on film with it. I'm thinking we'll either do an envelope journal or we will do a file folder, so we'll see. But the kit is so big that I'll probably be able to do a couple of things with it. So this page is beautiful, and I'm not sure if Marie actually watercolors or not. Marie, if you're watching this, do you watercolor your backgrounds? They are beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I love the trees and stuff. Yeah, and these splodges are great. So I'm thinking this would make an absolutely lovely cover. Starting the new year off, put all his goals and, you know, all the rest of it in it. So this is the first page. Beautiful. This one, a beautiful little white bunny here. I think they're chaffinches, or if they're not, they're bullfinches. Beautiful, beautiful birds. I'm thinking they're a British bird, but I don't know. Maybe they are in other countries, but they're fabulous. It's stunning, absolutely stunning. Then this one with the mountains and the trees, I really do like this. And then you've got little snowflakes. Love the colour. It's a blue, but it's got a bit of a purple tinge to it, and a grey. Very, very pretty colours. And this, just a dazzle of red, and you'll see the berries. It makes it really, really a bit different. This one, look, with the beautiful birds and the berries. Looks so very cold, doesn't it? Yeah, beautiful. Could even write on there. I haven't backed anything because I've just printed it and I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with it. I love this. Yeah. I mean, these have been watercolored, but like I said, I don't know if Marie's done them more or not. Lovely owl here. Another beautiful page with the berries and the bird. And this is one of the background pages. And then another lovely icy background. Now, the next few, I'm not so keen on, and I won't be using them. I think, is it a raven? I just don't like them. Yeah, they just remind me of horror films and things, and I just think they're not attractive looking birds at all. So I will probably you know, just use this part. I'm sorry, Raven, but yeah, I just don't visually find him very appealing. And same as this one, but I've still got all of this what I can collage with, and these beautiful trees. Love this ice here. And then here again, I'm not keen on, which is a shame, because I'd have loved it if it had just been this background and then these birds dotted about. But yeah, I mean, I can cover that one up actually. Don't mind them flying in the distance, but close to, I'm just not keen. And same with that. But the kit is that big that it's only a few of the pages, and like I say, it is a humongous kit. So this is a beautiful envelope. Love that, with the berries on and the ice on. You can almost feel it. And another one, beautiful one with the birds. Ooh. Another one with the raven, Mr. Raven, but I could put some lace down there, because I would like to use all the elements. Again, I'm going to back these with probably the icicle one. I shall run them back through the computer. Loads of tags. I think that's super, really super. It almost looks real. Love that. Howling wolf. Now, I don't normally like wolves, but I like him. I love the position of him, how he's looking up. He's howling at the crow, isn't he? And some tabs all the way. Love these style of pockets. Really do like that style. And pockets look really neat, so I think they're going to be super to score and stuff. I actually like that small postcard, as I've just been saying. Don't like him, but I think I will use that. Love the tiny little band here. That's so sweet. And that postcard. And some more pockets. Yeah, beautiful. The stag. He's stunning. I don't know if he appears anywhere else. He's not on any of the sheets. It's a shame. That'd make a beautiful sheet. Yeah, I really do like that wolf. So yeah, lots of tags, more journal cards. Yeah, stunning. It's printed absolutely beautiful. The tags in that I've printed just on white card, and it's 200 GSM. It's nothing fancy. It's not presentation card or anything like that. And the colours have come out so crisp. Yeah, it's printed super. Yeah, I love these little tickets. I like how there's some really tiny ones as well, what you can use for embellishments. Lots more, a different style of ticket. Love that postcard. Oh, crikey, what are these? Little... Oh, gosh, I don't think I'll be making them up. They are so small. Oh, making my eyes water just thinking about it. Sorry about the glare. A big coin envelope type thing. And some banners. Love that. That bunny is so pretty. Another one and some more banners. Yeah, there is the stag again. Oh, that's beautiful. Lots of banners. I'm never sure what to do with banners, really. They're not my favourite. But I tend to cut them off and like put them you know, on the edge of an envelope or something like that. Yeah, if I do use them, I only tend to use one or two. These are beautiful in this blue colour. Very nice. Nice colour. And then I love that about the woods when the weather's like that and you look through and you can just see the, you know, tree stumps. It's very, very real, that. And then there's a little cheeky mouse here. Some more bigger tickets. Love these bands. These are beautiful. Well, it's nice time because I had a look obviously as it was printing, but I didn't like fully examine them. These are beautiful. I think my friend Sue will like these. So Sue, if you're watching, if you'd like these elements, I will post them to you because I do think that you will perhaps like these. I can't believe how many journal cards and stuff there is. It's absolutely massive. Love how she's put them together as well, so I could cut that out as a full thing and fold it and make a little notebook. Same with this, or yeah, these two. Not that one. Or you could you know, just crease them and have them as a triple. They're the same, so I do like that. It gives you a bit more scope. And these are just a couple that I've printed out on card because this is my favourite. So yeah, whatever I do, I shall be doing something with this one and this one. I do love this one, you know, as I've been saying. Oh, I don't like crows, but yeah, I do love this one. And I love the writing. I'm not sure if that's Marie's writing or not, but that's beautiful. Really love it. And then this one. So yeah, we can make beautiful covers and things like that. So that is that kit. I need to finish off all the Edith Alden stuff and the Tim Holtz series and the Woodland series, and then we will be on to this. I'm hoping by, you know, last week in November, first week of December, that we can get started on it. But you know, it's not a Christmas kit, it's a winter kit. So, and it's winter till February, so I've got plenty of time. But yeah, you can definitely see a lovely file folder, and I'm going to thoroughly enjoy making it. I've got some blue cotton ready, so now I've shown it, I shall get it cut out and I shall come back and do a nice project together. So thank you very much, Marie, for letting me have this kit and showcase it. I'm really excited by it, and it's lovely to see your work. I think it's fabulous. So thank you very much. Thank you for joining me, and I shall see you soon. Bye for now. Bye.